Hey everyone, welcome back. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of posts about a supposed unlimited diamonds and coins method for merge cooking. People online are claiming that it's a simple process that doesn't require a PC, unofficial apps, or any changes to your device. I wasn't sure how much of it was actually true, so I decided to put the claim to the test and record the whole experience. In this video, I'll show you what I checked, go through the experiment from start to finish, and then we'll take a look at the account to see what the test actually revealed. Before moving on, I needed to check one detail inside Merge Cooking, my player ID. I opened the game, went to my profile, and located the ID associated with my account. I saved it so I could keep the information handy while documenting the rest of the experiment. It only took a few seconds, and once I had that detail ready, I was set to continue with the test. After that, I opened my browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. I typed in the website that everyone has been talking about and waited for it to load. The page opened normally, and everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. Once the page loaded, I searched for Merge Cooking and opened the section for the game. The site then showed a few options, including Android and iPhone, along with fields asking for account-related information. I reviewed the details displayed on the page and continued documenting the steps as part of the experiment. So far, the process looked straightforward, but I was still waiting to see whether the claims being made online would actually hold up. The next step was choosing how much resources I wanted. Since I was testing the method, I picked one of the larger amounts. After confirming my choice, the site started showing loading bars and different progress messages. It looked like it was processing everything, but I wanted to wait until I checked the game before making any conclusions. There was also a short verification step before the process finished. I finished the verification steps earlier, so now it was time to see what actually happened. I went back into Merge Cooking and checked my account for any noticeable changes. That brings the experiment to an end. You've now seen the process from beginning to finish, so you can make your own judgment about the claims and decide what you think. Just remember that methods shared online can be unreliable, especially when third-party websites are involved. It's always worth staying cautious and avoiding sharing sensitive account information. If you've come across a similar claim or tested something yourself, let me know about your experience in the comments. And if you enjoy mobile game tests, reviews, and experiments like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.